Do you have an incredible service or product, but for some unidentified reason, your sales are declining? Are you considering expanding into a new category or market sector, but you haven't quite yet got clarity on where your opportunities for innovation and growth lie versus the competition? One of the top reasons SMB businesses fail is because they neglect to do their due diligence or monitor and track changing market dynamics and customer preferences to maintain relevance. It's not difficult, but it does require some know-how. The fact is, every brand, large and small, be it product, service, institution, or indeed a personal brand, needs regular health checks to survive and thrive because the marketplace is in a constant state of flux. If you want to ensure your brand's longevity and increase your sales, you need to invest in your branding strategy, which goes way beyond just design. Hi, my name is Lorraine, founder of Persona Branding and Design. Join me inside my new 6-week complimentary fast injection branding masterclasses to unlock the exact systems and processes used to build standout brands with big brand know-how. This week, we're focusing on brand audit health checks. Why are brand health checks so critical? Because every brand, small and large, needs regular health checks to ensure peak performance, maintain market relevance and high visibility so you can increase perceived value, command a premium and continue to grow and increase your sales. Now, when I talk about brand audits, we're not talking about a quick check of the numbers. Every strong, successful brand needs regular, comprehensive brand audit health checks because they identify weaknesses and threats before the business hits a downward curve. Validate strengths so you can leverage them to the full. Pinpoint new opportunities for innovation and development, all so you can achieve or maintain leadership, high visibility, credibility, and growth. Remember, branding is not marketing or design, but the bedrock foundation supporting and directing your whole business. So brand health checks are a critical part of the strategy underpinning your business because they enable you to maintain peak performance, identify threats before they impact, leverage new opportunities fast, and increase visibility amongst your ideal customers so you can continue to increase sales. So by the end of this week's Branding Accelerator Masterclass, you'll know what a brand audit health check is and is not, how and why it's essential to give your brand regular health checks, what a brand audit health check typically entails, and the 10 essential brand audit factors you must know as a business leader, brand owner, manager, or entrepreneur. You'll also get my complimentary 25-page brand audit health check workbook accompanying this live streaming masterclass, so you're able to implement all these insider tips and get results faster to build your brand and grow your business. It's also your opportunity to pick my brains and leverage over 20 years of award-winning branding expertise, so you're empowered to transform your brand and increase your sales. Click the link for more details and secure your spot now. I look forward to meeting you there.